If you're tired of warm drinks and flimsy tumblers, then you absolutely need to see the Stanley Adventure Quencher Travel Tumbler 40 ounces. It keeps your beverages ice cold for over 11 hours. This isn't just any water bottle. It's a hydration game changer, perfect for daily commutes, long road trips, or just keeping refreshed at home. Let's talk about that incredible double-wall vacuum insulation. Seriously, your ice cubes will still be chilling after half a day, making it the ultimate travel tumbler. But Stanley didn't stop there. The comfort grip handle makes carrying 40 ounces a breeze, and the reusable straw means sipping on the go is effortless and eco-friendly. And for all you drivers, rejoice! Its clever design means it fits perfectly in most car cup holders, a major win for busy mornings. Compared to other travel mugs, the Quencher combines massive capacity with thoughtful ergonomics and unbeatable temperature retention, truly setting it apart. Ready to upgrade your hydration experience? Check out the link in the description below to grab your own Stanley Adventure Quencher from Amazon. Imagine staying perfectly hydrated all day without constant refills, or enjoying a cold drink right to the last drop. That's the Stanley difference. Don't just take my word for it. This is quickly becoming the best kitchen essential for 2025, and you won't regret investing in one. So if you're searching for the best water bottle or the perfect travel mug, the Stanley Adventure Quencher 40 ounces is my top recommendation. Click that Amazon link now.